Alrighty, the first step in the language of your hand is your thumb. You know Facebook. Even if you don't go on Facebook, you know this about Facebook. This is like, thumbs up. This is don't like, thumbs down. So let's talk about this being your attitude and your intention towards life. Every morning when you wake up, put your thumb up and set your intention for the day. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be energetic. I'm going to be so happily involved in what I love doing. I am going to what? And set your attitude. Believe, know, understand. What is your attitude? And here's the thing. When the time comes where your attitude is down, remember this. If you're in a traffic jam and you've got an appointment and you're, or somebody in your family is upset and is yelling at you or somebody, just remember, little, invisible, just bring your thumb up. Adjust your attitude. Set your intention. Be at cause that I know what my attitude is, and I know I can do whatever I want to do, and you are not in control. My thumb is not limp and down, it's strong. Do that. Check it. Do it in the morning, and then all day long. If you're going into a situation, what's my attitude in this situation? I want to be vibrant. I want to be worried, because sometimes you want to be worried. Set it what you want, and then go into the situation of what you're walking towards in your dream.